Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a card from scratch on Cricut Design Space. So first I am going to pick my image that I've previously uploaded, and this one is already cut, and it already has the cut lines cleaned up and everything. You can buy these from Etsy, or sometimes you can get them from free from Love SVG. Okay, so with this image you can make anything you want, but I'm going to make a card. This is going to be the front of my card, and I'm going to have something else behind it, a different color. You can write stuff on it, write stuff inside of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this card with my shapes here. So I'm going to grab a square, then I'm going to unlock it so I can make it this exact size as this. See, it's a little short here. I'm going to bring it down. Now you have to make it the same color as what you want to weld it to. So I'm going to move them as close as I can get them. I'm going to choose them both and weld. And then I'm going to put a score line so it will be ready to fold. And get the score line in shapes. There it is. I'm going to try to get it in the middle. I'm going to make it 12 inches so that I can get it right in the middle. There we go. So I'm going to align my score line at the 6. I'm going to make it as long as my paper. Okay, and then I'm going to attach that. Okay, and then because I built it like this, this part is gonna fold onto this. So I'm gonna put some writing here. Okay, so the Cricut fonts are the only ones that have true writing fonts. So I'm gonna filter them out here. See how they have writing. So I'm gonna use this just for reference. Okay, and you can make the alignment center. And you can put it however you want. Okay, and if you don't choose a Cricut font, this is what happens. And it's okay. It just doesn't outline. I have to turn my filters off. Okay. So if I choose the skinny font, Here's the skinny font. So what it's going to do is it's going to do an outline. I have to tell this one in particular to write. So I have to go over here in layers and click on this little scissor and change it to write. You can tell it what pen you're going to use. If you use a bigger pen, it will kind of overlap when it writes. Let's see how it is. Just an outline there. Okay, so it will just write like that. So when you get your writing on here, you select all and you attach. So then you just push make it, and there it is. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.